In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Canva. Let's start right at the beginning. First, log into your Canva account in your web browser. Once you're on your Canva homepage, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where Canva keeps most of your main tools and settings. In that panel, find the option labeled Brand. Go ahead and click on that, and then choose Fonts. This area is where you manage all the fonts associated with your brand kit. Inside the font section, you'll see different text categories like title, subtitle, heading, subheading, section header, body, quote, and caption. These categories help you keep a consistent style across all your designs. Choose the category where you want to add your new font. For example, if you're adding a main logo font, you might pick title or heading. Click on the category and it will expand to show more options. Within that expanded section, look for the drop-down field that says Choose a Font. Click on that drop-down, and instead of picking one of Canva's default fonts, select the option that says Upload a Font. As soon as you click that, your computer's file browser will open. Now, navigate to the folder on your computer where your font file is stored. Canva works with standard font formats like OTF and TTF, so make sure your font is saved in a compatible format before you start. Once you've found the font file you want, click to select it, and then press Enter or click Open. Back in Canva, you'll see a pop-up message asking you to confirm that you have the rights to use this font. This is important, especially if it's a purchased or licensed font. Read the message, and if you're sure you're allowed to use the font for your intended purposes, click Confirm and Upload. You'll then see a loading indicator as Canva uploads and processes the font. Just wait for that to finish. When the loader disappears, your font has been added. Now, click the Choose a Font drop-down again in that same category and start typing the name of your uploaded font. It should appear in the list. Select it and then click the check button in that category to save your choice. If you have different fonts you want to assign to other categories, simply repeat the same process for each one, and that's it. You've successfully added your own fonts in Canva and set them up across your brand kit.